So this is my presentation. It's called the alarm thing, and it's home security. So if you have the Sony water bottle at home, and if a thief is trying to get it, you could find this, and no more thieves. So the design of this is, first of all, what it does is it stops the Sony water bottle thieves, and it makes it, and if it's triggered, it makes an annoying alarm sound that alerts everybody. And I added cool lights, because who doesn't like cool lights? Okay, so from the build, I used the breadboard, I used the pie, and I used wires, and this sensor, and I used LEDs with the alarm thingy, which is this black thing, and I used more wires. So the program's kind of small, but how it works is that it measures, this thing sends out like a distance thingy, and when it hits the thing, or when it hits an object, it comes back and it measures the distance. So I put it, if it's lower than 160, that it turns the white light on. If it's lower than 106, it turns the red thing on. And if it's lower than 53, it turns the blue thing on, and it also beeps. I tested it so many times I couldn't count. Okay, so if I could rethink, I will add a water gun to it that shoots a Nestle Pure Life water, so that scares away the distorted water bottle thief. Oh, I also did a bonus slide, yay! So you might be wondering how this machine can help you. Just ask our loyal customer Bob. So apparently some thieves were trying to steal his water bottle, but thanks to this machine, it scared the thief away. So, and this is the results, as you can see. Now play. Okay. Oh no.
You got to transfer over the USB and the mice to, to your Raspberry Pi.
Oh. And now, could run it. Oh. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So as you can see, well, this thing is 22. Oh wait, no. Ooh. So this thing measures the distance from all the way over there. So right now it's 100 something, 50 something centimeters. But if I use this paper, make it closer, as you can see, the lights turn on. Wow, lights! And when we go closer, and it's below 153, it beeps. Yay! I'm finished.
Yay. Okay, does anyone have any questions? Okay, I'll ask one. Why the Sony?
I don't know. I just came up with a random water bottle thing. I don't know.
Cool.
Yay! I'm finished.
Anyone else?
Did you have fun with the project?
What?
Did you have fun with this project?
Yeah? Because it was annoying. It annoyed other people.
Anyone else have any other questions? How about this one? What was the hardest part of the project?
Oh, it was when there was two parts actually. The first one was that it wouldn't somehow read the it wouldn't somehow read how the distance, and we realized that one of the wires was broken. And then the other one was that the lights wouldn't turn on. We realized the LEDs were broken.
Cool. Oh, wow. Sounds like a lot of errors. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
I'm finished.
Cool. So let's give him a round of applause.